Today I was being let's check this, a little bit more careful just with the fact that we have NFP tomorrow, but coming into the day, or not coming into the day, but for the day, I took two trades, took this long during silver bullet time, and then took this little continuation long just before lunch started. So coming into the day, I was bullish, not incredibly bullish, but I was wanting to see a little bit of upside, just because if we look at this dealing range, um, from this high to this low, the midpoint of that is right here, and you can see price wicked off of it, and we kind of started getting a little consolidation and a little bit of a move up. But looking on the 1 hour is where I did want to see some bullishness, is because we do have this 1 hour inverse fair value gap that we have continually been supported by, and also a 15-minute bullish fair value gap that was in discount of this dealing range. So I was looking for upside um, coming into the morning, but there also was some confluence for shorts just in the fact that we are in a 15-minute BPR. Price has rejected it 3 times, 3 drive pattern, and we have a market structure shift to the downside. But I was still thinking that we have a better probability for longs. So when we do come into market open, where are we looking at here? 10 o'clock. So when we do come into market open, price is just kind of consolidating towards the open, and then we make a run down and we tap into this 15-minute fair value gap that's in discount, and we went through the bottom of this 1 hour inverse. We swept sell side, and then we got displacement up. So at this point, I wanted to get in on a long, but price was not really presenting that, and I looked at ES, and we had an SMT for value gap. Just in the fact that ES and YM tapped into this same fair value gap, and NQ did not, so I got in, and I took price to this high, and that was my internal buy side, and then I got all out there because we were tapping back into this 15-minute BPR, and this could have been our manipulation to take highs and then go lower. Um, so then looking at the next trade, oh, this is not it, but we did tap into that 15-minute BPR, and then we did start having a sell-off as well as a market structure shift below these lows. So this would have been a good short within this fair value gap and taken it down to sell side down here. Oh man, that would have been a good trade if you got in right there. Just say stop mean threshold of that order block, taking it down to sell side. You're at a 1 to 3.8. So that was a viable short. We come down, we sweep sell side again, and also with NFP being tomorrow, there could be always the opportunity for search and destroy conditions where we just take buy side, take sell side, take buy side, take sell side. So this is where, oh no, never mind. That was, no, that wasn't the two trades. But so I was not at the charts at this time, but I would have taken one of these longs. We just did not get the opportunity. I would have wanted to take a long right here out of this first fair value gap, and stop would have been below, ooh, I don't know, probably below this order block, and targeting this high, but I was not at the charts when that happened. So I took the next best thing and got in, I think got in right around here. Well, we can check. Where did I get in? 11:51. Yeah, so I got in right here with a stop below this order block. And I only targeted to this intermediate term high because I had to step away from the charts, and this high would have been guaranteed to me, and I didn't want to mess around with this 15-minute BPR. So I just set my take profit there, and it hit it, and this would have been the next take profit. But price did end up running that 15-minute BPR and did continue to the upside. And in closing for today, it is making very, very strong moves towards the upside. But overall, very, very bullish day, and also the close of a monthly candle. And this monthly candle was, oh no, never mind. That is a new monthly, never mind. First day. Sorry, not close of a new monthly candle, but with this being the first day, could be part of a possible power of three, but we do also have this big opening range gap in here. But very, very bullish day from well here from our last liquidity sweep. Price ended up running 250 points. So what overall good solid day.